We have been introduced to JSP technology. Now, let's have a look on how a web server processes a JSP. When the web browser specifies a page, a request is made to the web server. The web server sends a HTTP request to the web server requesting for the JSP page. The web server recognizes the request for JSP page by checking the extension of the file. The web server forwards the request to the JSP engine. The JSP engine loads the JSP page from the disk and converts it into a servlet. The JSP engine then compiles the servlet into executable class and forward the original request to the servlet engine. The servlet engine loads and executes the servlet class. The servlet produces an output in HTML format. The output produced by the servlet engine and then passed to the web server inside a HTTP response. The web server sends the HTTP response to the web browser in the form of static HTML. The web browser loads the static page into the browser, and the user can view the dynamically generated page.